Hey Jess, real quick, just wanted to go over your website and GMB and see if there's anything you can do to improve your rankings. So first off, I want to say good job on the website. I think this looks really nice. You got really clean, great looking pictures, and let's see, it's pretty responsive. I mean, some of these pictures are lower quality, kind of blurry, but maybe you did that to make the website load faster. Although there's other things you can do to make it load faster without having to remove the quality of the website pictures. Let's see. Good, you got service pages for all the different services. I would say you need a lot more content to rank. How Google works is they have bots that go onto your website and crawl the page and read all of the words. So it kind of looks like this is kind of how Google views your page. There's an index of keywords, and they count how many times you use each word and where you use each word, if you use it in the H1, if you use it in the body, etc. So you need to make sure that you put the keywords you want to be ranking for inside the header, like Denver kitchen remodeling. That's good. You've got it in the header right there. And then having the same keyword a couple of other times on the page. So this page actually looks really good. It's got a lot more content than the other one did. So kitchen remodeling is good. Basement remodeling. A bungalow too. That's really cool. Yep, not bad. Got a form at the bottom. Another thing that I notice you don't have right now is you can embed your GMB. A lot of times we'll embed it into the footer, adding the map. That helps link the GMB to the website better and will increase the rankings of the GMB. Use. I would also add, well, usually I like, let me just show you. I just actually made a kitchen remodeling site this week. Just barely finished it. It's a really small site. It's only a few pages, but notice how I have call to actions across the site. Click to call, get in touch now, contact us now. I usually recommend trying to always have on the screen at least one call to action that they can look at. So you can do that by either having like the top header scroll down or having call to actions more frequently on the page is another good thing to do. But anyways, overall the site looks good. I think you just need more words, more content to be indexed for more keywords as far as the on-page SEO stuff goes. Another thing is page speed. You guys are doing great at that, so good job. Schema markup, that's another, it's like the code of the website, the back end of the website. It tells Google what the website's about. You don't have schema markup set up correctly. So whoever does your website, maybe you can ask them to install local business schema markup on the site, or if you need me to do it, I can do it for you too. It's not very hard to do. It's not a huge ranking factor, but just one other thing that you could improve. If we look at your website overall, it's showing 27 organic traffic per month is estimated based on your rankings, 744 backlinks from 285 different websites. So not bad. It looks like somebody has tried to do some SEO in the past. Your rankings are okay. You got bungalow, bathroom, remodel. You're ranking for number 1. But only 40 people are searching that per month, so it's not a very high search volume keyword, and it's not local to Denver. You really want Denver specific keywords that have your service. So like remodeling companies, Denver is a great keyword, but you're only ranked number 19, so you're on the second page of Google. Lakewood bathroom remodel, that's probably in Denver, right? That's a good keyword, and it's also really easy to rank. It's got a 0 out of 100 on the difficulty scale, and you're ranked number 7, so good job. Increased the ranking on that one recently. But yeah, for most of your keywords on the second and third page, you really want to focus on the location-specific keywords, so things with Denver in them. These are the type of keywords you want to be. Denver renovation, home remodeling Denver. The higher volume, lower keyword difficulty are usually the keywords I try to target, put on the content a few times, and then backlink to the content with keyword anchor text. I'm not sure if you do the SEO yourself or if you have somebody else doing it for you. But the other big part of SEO, aside from targeting the correct keywords, is getting quality backlinks. So it seems like somebody's already been doing some backlink building for you. There's lots of different types of backlinks. Essentially what a backlink is it's your website being linked to from another website. So filmfestivalaustralia.com is linking to your website. Although that's not a very relevant backlink, usually you want to have backlinks from relevant and related websites. So websites about home remodeling, home ownership, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, the city of Denver, news websites that reference Denver, those type of things, directories, citations, blogs that are about different topics related to your company. Those are the best types of backlinks to have. Also, backlinks that have traffic are really good. Backlinks that have higher metrics. These are scoring metrics that Ahrefs use. So right now it looks like you have some backlinks and a few high quality ones, but not a ton. Let's see, one link per domain, do follow, 247 do follow backlinks. Wow, and they're almost all do follow backlinks and no follow backlinks. So that's also a little bit of a red flag that's telling Google that somebody's manipulating the backlinks. There's a lot of blogspot. So these are what are called Web 2.0s. So somebody's made a lot of Web 2.0s, which are like the cheapest kind of backlinks. They're really easy to make. But yeah, I'd recommend doing press releases. Those are a really good source of backlinks. Guest posting, blog commenting, etc. Those type PBNs, even if you use them correctly, can help rank a lot. One of my favorite ways to do SEO is to go to competitors' websites, see what backlinks they have on their website, and then go through each of the backlinks and try to copy all of the same backlinks. Because we already know that Google is rewarding and ranking this site because of these backlinks. So if we're able to copy them and reverse engineer what they're doing correctly, then you're able to rank your site. So that's one of the tasks that I do for all of my SEO clients. We'll copy one competitor's all their backlinks every month. So anyways, this is one of your competitors. I just Googled home remodeling Denver, Colorado, clicked on the first one, and it's this guy. So if you look, they have a bit more content than you. Each page, I try to have like 1,500 words on the home page, and around 600 to 800 words on each service page is kind of my minimums that I go for. But let's check out their site and their keywords that they're ranking for, so you can see what kind of keywords you might want to target as well, and the potential. If you have around 800 traffic per month, usually around 20 to 30% of those traffic are becoming leads. So 800 times 30%, it's 240 leads per month. If it's converting like my other websites convert, I don't really know, but that's kind of the goal of SEO, is to get enough organic traffic happening every single month that you're able to have a whole fountain of leads. If you could have 200 leads per month, you'd probably be more than busy enough, and you could just work on the higher end jobs. So they have home remodeling Denver. That's a great keyword. 200 search volume per month. Denver remodeling, 100 per month. That's also a great keyword. These actually aren't as competitive as I thought they would be. 20, 23, 24. It's not horrible. You could probably rank for that in maybe 6 to 8 months of doing some solid SEO. The higher the difficulty, this KD, the harder it is to rank, the more you have to invest in backlinks and do really aggressive SEO to rank. But yeah, you can see that these guys have done a lot of SEO since January 2021. They're adding more backlinks every single month. You too. You've also been doing more since January 2020, just less quality backlinks, I think, because almost all of them are Web 2.0s. Anyways, I didn't mean to get so technical, but I'm not sure if you're doing the SEO or not. Another thing to do, let's go into the GMB next. Another great source of backlinks are things called citations. So these are an example of citations for contractors: concretenetwork.com, menta.com, porch.com, yelp.com, etc. The more citations you have, the more times your business address, home or phone number, and name is listed all across the internet, the more trusted your website becomes and your business becomes, and that also especially helps rank in the Google Maps. So let's look at your Google Maps ranking really quickly. So this is Denver, and these are your rankings depending on where you search from. So one of the main ranking factors for Google is proximity. So usually the closer you are to your address where you're located, the higher you rank. Oops. Which actually, where is your address? Right here. So you're ranking 14 there, and everywhere else around 18 to 24. That's not high enough to actually really get any traffic from Google Maps. Let's check another keyword, bathroom remodeling Denver. Yep, second, third page, fourth page. Kitchen remodeling. Oh, you're ranked number 7. That's not too bad. Right around you, but still not super high. But at least that's the first page, so you probably got some traffic from that keyword. Home remodeling company. Let's try that one. No, number 2, right around you, and then 10, 11. So that's probably your best keyword we've seen so far. Kitchen remodeling near me. Let's try that one. I think 4 right there, 5 and 8 over here. Not horrible. So this is what I recommend focusing on first for all local businesses. A lot of the calls and a lot of the traffic in the first year of doing SEO and marketing will come from your GMB. So it's what I focus on for my clients. Usually I run, whenever I onboard a client, I'll do local service ads to get them leads immediately. We'll work on ranking their GMB as fast as possible, because if you can get that in the top spots, that generates calls within a month or two. And then over time, eventually their website will rank, because that takes months to happen. So some other things. You want to make sure you have the right categories, which it looks like you do. You want to be always uploading new photos, especially if you take the photos with your phone at places you work. That's geotagging the photos automatically. You want to name the photos as keywords before you upload them. And uploading 1 or 2 photos a week is a great practice. Also, if you're able to get clients to also upload photos, that helps as well. See, it says by owner, and it'll also say by customer if you have them upload them. Look, and they did in the reviews. That helps a lot too. So getting more reviews, of course, helps ranking, and having the reviews leave photos and add keywords inside of the review like this, kitchen remodel, that's a keyword. So that's awesome. Got some good reviews, although not very many. There's a lot of different review strategies. I personally think it's best to ask for a review while you're with the customer, and then after that text them the review link and email them the review link. I've automated the process with my own app. I use an app called Lead Fount, which we made to automate review management, which I can give you more info on that if you're looking for something like that right now. It's kind of like a CRM. Anyways, some other ranking factors is GMB posts. You want to be making posts regularly. Looks like you did one in October 7th. I usually do 2 per week. That's enough to help rank them. So doing some more regular posting would help. Also adding products and services. It doesn't show any products and services right now, so that's something else you need to fill out to help rank as well. Yeah, that's pretty much the basics. I kind of went over a lot of information all at once. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to give you more information on any of the different things you're wondering about. Or if you need to outsource any of it, like some citations, or want to do the full monthly package, that's fine too. Just let me know what you guys are looking to do.